Hi, another day, another surgery. So today, nag-follow up po yung ating patient. I did 4 years ago, no? Actually, pandemic time pa yata, no? So she came here because of breast contracture, no? Yung breast niya matigas because of breast augmentation before, then nagkaroon ng contracture. Then I did revision. So inopera natin uli, we replaced the implant. I removed the capsule. And now she's here. Actually kaya siya nandito because she brought one patient. No? Ibig sabihin natuwa talaga siya. So Ma'am Ma'am Poti. The Kanay, right? Yan. Oh, Ma'am Poti, what can you say about your breast and the experience here at Vasquez Skin and Body Center?
Hello, good day po sa lahat ng viewers. And I'm so very satisfied and very happy po sa naging result, sa naging under surgery ko kay Doc. Then, ang tagal kong pinoproblema yung problem ko sa BA ko before sa first experience ko. And nung una, medyo natatakot ako na if revise siya kasi hindi ko alam kung magiging perfect ba yung magiging result. Kasi baka iniisip ko kasi doon before Doc, baka ganun ulit yung mangyari. Pero since si Doc sinearch ko talaga siya kung sino yung pinakamagaling at pinaka the best sa pagdating sa BA. And syempre, walang iba kundi si Doc Vasquez, syempre. Kaya kay Doc ako nagtiwala. And then, masasabi kong 1,000% Doc. Hindi ko siya i-recommend sa ibang friends ko kung hindi talaga magaling. Kaya sa mga nagpa-plan na takot magpa-revise or takot sa magiging result, huwag kayong matakot kasi based sa experience ko, talagang the best. Tsaka kapag kay Doc kayo pumunta, talagang very sure in good hands kayo. Talagang the result will be very good talaga.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Ma'am Poti. So, I'm very happy dahil happy po si Ma'am Poti. No? Actually, I've seen the result kanina. Napakaganda. Maski ako natuwa. Thank you very much, Ma'am Poti. Thank you very much. And you brought one patient, no? Sana mas marami pa sunod.
Soon, sobrang dami pa nila, Doc. As in, sobrang dami pa nilang mga naka-line up.
Yan, okay. Thank you very much, Ma'am Poti. That's it. Another day, another surgery.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Doc.